Okay, Rihanna, go ahead and sit up tall so we can see you in the screen. Okay. I wanted to go over this quiz about multiplicative, inverse, and comparison. Um, there seems to be a struggle with comparison on number one, but on number three, you got it right. I do realize that you struggled making the bar model, so it looks like we need to devote more practice to making the bar models. Also, with multiplicative inverse, I noticed you didn't draw bar models at all for numbers, for number four anyway. It's important that when we do multiplicative inverse, we think division. It looks like you looked at the numbers in the problem and the vocabulary times as many as, and you just multiply them. But that actually is incorrect, okay? So just kind of be mindful that when we are doing multiplicative inverse, it requires us to think division. But when we are doing multiplicative comparison, we can just multiply the two numbers in the problem. However, Mr. Gray wants us to always draw what? Bar model. Bar models helps us see what the problem is asking us to do. Now, on our first assessment, you got them all wrong. So look whose score is growing. Okay? Yes, it is. Mr. Gray's happy about that. It's always, you may not perfect it, but the main thing is that you get better. Understand what I'm saying? So in future references, I want you to stop and slow down. Draw your bar models for each problem. Use the language in the problem to help you draw the bar model. And if you get the bar model drawn and don't know how to label it, go back to your problem and chunk it. Take it sentence by sentence and then label what you see. Is that a deal? Do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you, sweetie. Go get